All right, so this is gonna be my first video driving around without using my hands. Hopefully this looks good. About to actually go pick up my girlfriend's Note 9. So I'm pretty excited about actually opening and using the Note 9. I think she told me I could. I think she gave me permission. It's a gift, okay? I bought it for her. But because I bought it for her, I feel bad because I want her to have that experience of opening the phone. And if I open it first and then put it back, I don't think she's gonna have that experience, obviously, because I would have opened it first. So what I'm actually gonna do is just do an unboxing video, hands-on impression of the phone, and then hopefully I'll be buying my own soon, and then I'll do more videos. Or maybe she's going to be okay with me just doing 1 or 2 videos with the phone. Oof, what a damn pothole, man. Hopefully she's going to be okay with me using the phone a little bit, and then maybe I could do more videos with it. Pretty much it's going to be an unboxing video and then a comparison. So I'll be comparing it with the Huawei P20 Pro, which has been my daily driver since I've gotten it, and the iPhone X. So I can do all 3 side by side, let you guys check out the hardware. Obviously the iPhone X is about to be not obsolete, but it's going to be refreshed probably within a month or so. So there's that.
In my direction, despacito, despacito, deja que te diga cosas al oído. Momentito, me coge el teléfono ahora. ¿Aló? ¿Cómo estás? Esta noche quiero ser maldades. Esta noche quiero ser de lo y quiero saber. Hacer que te entregues a mí, ven, bebé.
O puede ser que sí, o puede ser que no.
Al final terminaremos
Besándonos, ¿qué será de mí o qué será de mí?
No presentemos al final, solo sabe Dios. En mi mente muy desplazado.
Alright, that's what we're gonna do. It's not, yeah, I'm not gonna unbox it, I feel bad. But I'm at least gonna show you guys the box. And then post a video. And then hopefully the girlfriend likes it. Because if she doesn't, I'm taking the phone and I'm gonna keep it or return it. So, check it out, guys. Check it out, I finally got it. Huh? Yeah. So my girlfriend's actually okay with me unboxing it. You would think she'd be okay with it, right? I'm buying it for her. I'm gifting her this phone. Nah, but in all seriousness, this is her phone. I'm buying it for her to use. She's letting me do an unboxing video so I can show you guys how it looks hardware-wise. And then a comparison hardware-wise between the phone and the iPhone X and the Huawei P20 Pro. So let's go ahead and get started with that. Hit that like button if you think my girlfriend is lucky because she's getting a Note 9. Hit that like button as well if you just like the video, and hit that subscribe button as well, guys. So let's get started. All right, guys, what's going on? Note 9 time, unboxing time. This is the lavender version. I'm gonna open this bad boy up. I am super excited about this phone because I've always been a fan of the Note series. So I'm gonna try to open this as nicely as possible because, like I said, my girlfriend will be using this. So when you open it up, you get your SIM card ejector tool. In here, you'll have your usual books, so you can pluck that away, flossy style. And I apologize that this unboxing, like I said, isn't the most exciting one because I want to make sure that I keep everything as put together as possible so that she enjoys the unboxing herself. Here's the phone. Oh man, does this thing feel good in the hand? Woo! I'll tell you, this thing is nice. I actually dig this color too. Look at that. Look at that. Feels good in the hand though. I think this feels better in the hand than the P20 Pro. So let's start from the bottom of the phone. We've got headphone jack. It's a big deal. Not a lot of people are keeping those. USB Type-C, speaker grill, and then the almighty S Pen. Look at that. Ooh, she gonna love that, I'll tell you. She's a little artist herself, so she gonna love that. Clicks right away. Side of the phone, power button right there. Right hand side of the phone. Left hand side of the phone, the always there, can't disable it. Most people hate it. Bixby button, volume rocker. Top of the phone, SIM tray. That's it. Little mic maybe. Back of the phone, fingerprint scanner there. Dual camera lens there. Flash to the right there. Let's put this phone off to the side. Inside we have Samsung adaptive fast charging. Now this fast charger isn't as fast as the OnePlus, nor is it as fast as Huawei, but it's faster than no fast charging. Here, Samsung includes a USB connector. So on one side you have USB-C, on the other side you have typical USB-A. In here we have USB Type-C cable. We have AKG braided earbuds. We also have a replacement nibs for your S Pen. Actually, this is the tool that helps remove the pins. No. Let me say that over. We have an actual tool, and inside we have one nib to be replaced if you need to on the S Pen. And here we have different sizes of for your earbuds. So let's put this beautifully back away. Let's close that up. I'm going to peel off the case on my Huawei P20 Pro. I'm going to give it a nice little cleanse here. I really love the P20 Pro. I think it's beautiful. I think it's perfect in so many ways. But here's the P20 Pro. Sorry about all that reflection. And here's the Note 9. Check that out. Size-wise, the Note 9 is obviously bigger. 6.4 inch device. I think the Huawei P20 Pro is like a 6.1 inch. It's just taller. It's also wider. It is what it is. Now the P20 Pro has 3 camera lenses here on the top left. The Note 9 has 2 in the middle. The P20 Pro has a 4,000 milliamp hour battery. So does the Note 9, but the Note 9 has all of the S Pen functionality that in this case no one has. I mean, P20 Pro doesn't have it, no one else has it. So I'm gonna put this like this. I'm gonna put this like that. And then I'm gonna show you guys the iPhone X kind of in the middle. And you see how it gets just warped inside them. So check that out right there. See? So there you have it, guys. I'm not going to turn it on because I want her to have this phone as perfect as possible. I'm already grateful that she's letting me unbox it. Once I get my own, I'll definitely be giving you guys the full review, comparisons with the P20 Pro, possibly with the iPhone X, a battery life review, all that kind of good stuff. So hit that subscribe button, please. I try to bring you guys content that is as truthful as possible, compared to the big YouTubers who try to bring you a lot more glamour and transitions. Hopefully you stick around. Most important thing, guys, is to always stay geeky. I'll catch you in the next video. Peace, salute, and adios.